Why brands burn their unsold products. In 2018, Burberry, a British luxury brand, destroyed $36.8 million worth of its own merchandise. Burberry. In 2013, H&M burned 60 tons of merchandise, which is something the business denied at the time. Most luxury brands such as Nike, Burberry, Louis Vuitton, Chanel, and H&M, burn unsold merchandise worth millions of dollars. They burn so that the value of their brand is not lowered as a result of sellers selling outdated products at lower rates. They try to preserve scarcity by making the product exclusive, which they claim helps them maintain their brand value. Another argument for the practice is that burning or destroying clothes prevents counterfeiting, making a copy that looks like the original of something. If the cheaply priced goods fall into the wrong hands, they can be quickly duplicated, putting the brand's intellectual property at risk. Despite being criticized for environmental degradation, the brands continue to do this without publicly admitting it. Info brief. Please subscribe our channel.